Hey, what's up y'all? It's Aaron here, and today I'm going to challenge you to think bigger. And in this video, I'm going to give you the keys to taking your clothing brand or boutique from 6 figures per month to 6 figures per. What's up guys? What I meant to say was 6 figures per month. So going from 6 figures per year to 6 figures per month. Franklin's going to fix it, so should be good now. And make sure that you stick around until the end, because I'm going to give you one secret to success that I guarantee 99% of online store owners won't do. Color change. All right, so number 1 is to niche down, niche down so much that it hurts. Now, I didn't say that these tips were going to be easy. Honestly, they're probably not, but they are proven, so stick with me here. Think of your business like a circle of opportunity, right? When you're the only one in the circle, then you are a monopoly and you will dominate because you're literally the only option. But once someone comes in, once competition comes into play, it's a lot harder to keep the same piece of the pie, right? Somebody's gonna take a piece, and especially when other brands have more time, more people, and more money. This is why niching down to one audience will allow you to completely penetrate the market and not have to worry about the competition. The more niche equals the more opportunities. All right guys, so before we move on to number two, I just wanna say howdy, what's up? My name is Aaron, and if you've been watching for a while, thank you so much. And if you're new, hello, welcome to the channel. We've been helping frustrated store owners since 2015 become impactful store owners. Wow. The tutorials, tactics, and strategies. And I just want to say, if you found value in this video so far, or at any point, please make sure or consider subscribing. It's what helps us create better content to continue to help you. All right, so let's get back to this. All right, so number 2 is that every customer, or at bat, matters. So for every customer, you have an opportunity to make them a dedicated repeat buyer. It's no longer about the transaction, but about the experience pre-purchase and post-purchase. Now, 1 out of every customer has 10,000 followers on social media. Now, I don't really know if that's true. Let's just do a metric, right? But let's just roll with me here, right? So 1 out of every 100 customers has 10,000 followers on social. Maybe they have 5,000. But what they'll do is they will share it with their friends, and it increase your sales literally overnight by them sharing it with them. Stories, posts, does not matter. Most of the time, those who are able to scale to 6 figures care about their customers, and an intangible result and metric that is often overlooked. All right, so number 3, this one's super powerful and valuable and just really, really important. So collect as much data as possible. Now, outside of your website and your email address, you don't own any data out there, which means that if Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, etc. decided to change the way your products are shown online, or the costs rise because you didn't focus on number 1, which was to niche down, you lose out on sales and profit. All right, so on your website, you must be collecting email addresses. After doing tons of research and talking with a lot of people in the field, asking for an email address does not affect the user experience. All right, plus 3/4 of people will never come back to your site on their own. So every single visit is extremely valuable. Do not sleep on email collection, and go check out this tool called Sumo to set it up. It's free email collection. We don't get paid anything. Let's link it in the description. We'll link it in the description. It's completely free to sign up. We don't get paid a dime for this, but go check it out. It's called Sumo, SUMO.com, or just check out the link in the description below. Hey, but wait, there's more. You know, like one of those infomercial things. But wait, there's more. But this is one of those parts where you don't want to skip over, right? So keep watching. Before we get to these last few, I wanted to tell you guys about our free training masterclass that will walk you through the 5 pillars that need to be in place for your online store to scale consistently and profitably, no matter what's going on in the world around you. So make sure that you check out the link in the description below and go watch that free less than 20-minute training. All right, so next up we have here is to saturate the market. Go where your audience is at online and absolutely saturate it. If your audience is on Facebook, make sure that you're showing up there consistently. Not only should you be showing up organically, but jump on the most undervalued asset for clothing brands and boutiques, which is online advertising. Whether it's Facebook, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, start spending money in these areas to start saturating your market and being in front of your audience. Now, before we move forward, these ads, you need to remember that online advertising is only going to magnify what your business is already doing. For example, if you are not converting organic traffic, sending paid traffic to your site is only going to increase the cost and likely will result in 0 sales. So this is a touchy subject, which is why we created a video on Facebook ads for clothing brands that are proven to work right now. So make sure that you go check out this video right here. All right, y'all, we are here at the very last tip. This one's super important, and it is to never stop innovating and learning. And I know that you got here and you got to the end of this video, and if you are not doing 6 figures, then you may not just get this step. You may not understand this step. But if you are, you will. You're at a spot that you are right now because of the business choices, the sum of the past decisions that you've made in your business. All of those decisions have accumulated to put you where you're at right now. All you need to do to grow to 6 figures per month, to have 6-figure months, is to focus your time on solving bigger problems. A few things to consider here, right? So let's go into these. A few things to consider as you are growing. Number 1, employees, stakeholders, partners, and customers. Spend quiet time in your business reading and testing what will take you to that next level. I don't know who told me this, but he said it, if you want to see where you'll be in the next 3 years, look at the books that you're reading right now. That's why I want to recommend 3 books that I will absolutely love and that I think will help you get to that 6-figure mark, right? These are all books that I've read that I love and that you should check out as well. So number 1 is Atomic Habits by James Clear to help you with your habit building. Number 2 is The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod to help you start your day off effectively and to have the best day ever. And number 3 is 12 Months to 1 Million by Ryan Daniel Moran. I don't know how he says his name. Go look it up. Ryan Daniel Moran. Hopefully that's right. I don't know. All right, so don't forget to spend time being quiet. Whether it's using a tool like Headspace, meditating, praying, doing this will help you get clarity and direction for your life and your business. So if you like this video, then you're going to love the video that I mentioned earlier about Facebook ads. Make sure you check it out right here. That's gonna help you grow your clothing brand online. All right, guys, so that's all we have for this week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.